Loan signing agents don't really work in the real estate industry. We work more so in the mortgage industry. I just want to say thank you guys so much. We have reached 2,000 subscribers on my little channel. And to me, I do not despise humble and small beginnings. I appreciate every single like, view, comment. I appreciate it all. So thank you so much. And yeah, hi, my name is Melissa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys about HELOC. So one of the very first refis that I ever did actually included a HELOC. And I remember walking into that situation and I'm just like, okay, just get it signed, get it done. And I explicitly remember the signer asking me about the HELOC. She had a son who she was putting through school. This was the first year of quarantine. It was February 2020. And, you know, she was just kind of like, is this going to work out? Am I going to be able to pay for my son's tuition? Is, you know, asking me specific things about the rates and everything like that, how much money she actually was getting out of the HELOC and everything. And honestly, me shaking in my boots, but keeping it composed and together at the signing table, I was just like, well, let's call your mortgage loan originator to answer those questions. So if you actually want to have a little bit more in-depth knowledge about HELOCs and what they are, because they will be included sometimes in your refi and sometimes you'll go out to get a HELOC signed alone, keep watching this video. I have my notes. So a HELOC is a home equity line of credit. That's what the acronym stands for. When MLOs notice that, you know, basically the interest rates are going up or refis are going down, this is a product that they like to push to people who already have homes. So this is why I said in my previous video that loan signing agents don't really work in the real estate industry. We work more so in the mortgage industry, because once those sales transactions start slowing down because of the market, mortgage loan originators have other mortgage products that they can still push that still need to be closed by yours truly. So this is one of those things. Your typical customer for a HELOC loan is going to be someone who needs a lump sum of money for something expensive. Maybe they're starting a small business. Maybe they're putting one of their children through college. Maybe they're trying to do a renovation on their home. Whatever the case may be, they need the lump sum of money. And instead of going to get some different type of loan, they decide to pull the money out of the equity that's in their home. So one of the questions that I was asked in that signing was, how much money do I have in that line of credit? Now, I didn't look through the documents to look at this woman's numbers and stuff like that. So I was just like, you know, let's call your mortgage loan originator right now. Let's, you know, get that situated. But for future reference, if you ever get this question in the future, you can simply tell the person, all you have to do is a simple math equation. And it's very simple. It's just subtraction. The amount of line of credit that they have is simply calculated as this: the appraised value subtracted by the mortgage balance that they have left to pay on the home. Let me give you a super simplified example. Say somebody's home is appraised for $100 and they have $50 left to pay on their mortgage, right? Their HELOC amount is going to be $50. 100 subtracted by 50 equals 50. So they'll have a HELOC amount of $50. Now they might want to use 25 of those dollars to renovate their home. They might want to use $10 to pay for their child's student loans. Whatever they want to do with the money is all up to them. But that's the amount of money that they have to work with, $50. Does it make sense? Someone might also ask you, how are they going to have access to the funds? A simple answer to that is lender approved checks, or you may get an ATM card, you may get a credit card. Okay, so as the loan signing agent, the biggest advantage for you is that the HELOC is a very small package. Unless it's coupled with the refi. Then it's just your regular refi plus some documents. The advantages of the HELOC is that the borrower only pays interest on the money that they use. Another advantage to the HELOC is that it's tax deductible. It is largely tax deductible. And the last benefit is that if nobody uses the HELOC, no one pays for the HELOC. Does it make sense? So you're basically using your own money for things in the future, period. The biggest disadvantage though is that it does put a lien on the property. So if somebody decides not to pay back the HELOC, just know that your house is up for collateral. That's what HELOCs are. That's what it is. And so yeah, if you would like me to go over the specific documents you're gonna find in a HELOC, like this video, share, comment, subscribe, do all of that good stuff. Let me know in the comment section below and I will post it like I did last time. If you want more free trainings, be sure to turn on your post notifications because I'm going to start posting them regularly, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Loan signing agents don't really work in the real estate industry. We work more so in the mortgage industry.